gotta have you do that thing for my phone too. Oh, it's still turned on. Any problems external? You videoing?
Yep.
You want me to do it for you?
Arrows. That one, that one, that one. There's a little, and the small one.
Yeah, you're only going to want to remove those.
I don't know if I got to do this one and this one on the 60 or 40. I know they got to undo them on the 80.
Do they? No, you just take this.
Yeah, there's an arrow on it. See the arrow?
Okay.
It means you got to pull them out.
So this just removes the top, right?
Yep. The S, that's always a reminder, that's the small one. Small screw.
Okay, so that way when you put it back in.
It's the shortest screw.
See?
Oh yeah. Did you drop it?
No, dude, I was at an auction and I must have picked something up throughout the day and just hit it on accident. Smashed
Put
it
it in your pocket?
Yeah.
That's why you bent over with something in your pocket.
I'm gonna do just like flex the phone, kinda.
Yep. Okay, all you do is you grab the back side.
Obviously, this looks like it takes some muscle here.
The other one shorter.
So this screw right here.
Was in the small spot.
Where's the S at?
Right here.
Okay, so make sure
You're looking
you
at the front. Far back, right corner.
Oh shit! About that generator.
A magnetic screwdriver. Touch a magnet to the screwdriver. Usually that works.
Has to be strong enough magnet though.
Should open up. There it goes.
Now it says drop back hinges on it, doesn't it?
You pull this forward, let it tilt forward. Oh, this one isn't like mine. It doesn't have the wires. On the 80 special edition, it's got all the SD card slots, and you gotta undo them wires.
Okay, and these just got the connectors that sit on there?
That right there. You always gotta be careful touching around here, because this is, up in here is where them push sensitive buttons are.
Okay. Oh, dusty.
Right there. All they are is little prongs. They stick up.
Now these metal things right here is what touches it, right?
All it is a contact.
Yeah. And then when you press those buttons, it just sets off like a signal or something?
Yep. Alrighty, we can pull this out. This isn't screwed down. I didn't even put it back together. I don't think. Pull this up.
The whole thing?
And pull this clip here. Put this over. Pull the black tab up. The ribbon comes right out.
Okay.
That's it. ps3 to the side.
That's just where your eye and all that stuff is internal, right?
Mm-hmm. You put all the screws back in this.
This is one of those good examples of lazy repairs, right?
Yep.
Now, does it matter which order you take the screws out in, or not really?
No. They should all be the same size. These little black ones.
It's a good idea to have them handy. There's an advertisement right here. Wearing Call of Duty MW3.
Black Ops, baby.
Hell yeah. I like the third one better than the second one. I don't know what it is about it. You got your account linked with your Facebook account?
Hmm?
You got your ps3 account linked with your Facebook account?
I did have it.
You should. You should have it linked with your YouTube account too. The porn of PlayStation right here. So I'm guessing that this plastic cover will take off, right?
Yep, whole top. As long as we do it nicely, we don't have to disconnect this wire. We'll just open it.
Okay, let's set it aside.
Yeah, just lay it right next to it. These are all these screws should be the same size. Should go down like this over the thing on. Nope, it's got the same one as mine. That ain't gonna work.
So how's the difference?
Hmm?
What's the difference?
See the ribbon? right here. So it hooks up and runs it. Well,
Okay.
this one here,
Smaller?
small. So, it's a waste.
Well, so
Well, that's how you would do it. You pull out them 4 screws and pull the rest of that casing.
all those 4 screws that go like right here.
Yep.
Okay. And just pop the wire out, pop that one in, redo it all.
Yep. That's how you do it if you had the right part.
Well, to be continued, right?